This is the McGuffey Eclectic Primer, Lesson 12, Boys and Girls at Play. In this lesson, I will read the paragraphs with expression. That means feeling. And then when we get to the section where I read the words, it's as usual. I say the word and then you repeat it or sound it out for yourself. Here are 6 little boys and girls. See them go round, round, round? Yes, but you must not go round too fast. Now it's your turn. Read the paragraph. You may fall down and get hurt. Boys and girls must not be rude in play. Ah, how they must stop. The school bell calls them away. Now it's your turn. Read the paragraph. R. Say the word or sound it out. Six. Say the word or sound it out. Bell. Say the word or sound it out. Get. Say the word or sound it out. But. Say the word or sound it out. Boys. Say the word or sound it out. And. Say the word or sound it out. may. Say the word or sound it out. Fall. Say the word or sound it out. Rude. Say the word or sound it out. Girls. Say the word or sound it out. Them. Say the word or sound it out. Fast. Say the word or sound it out. Girl. Say the word or sound it out. Now. Say the word or sound it out. Little. Say the word or sound it out. Round. Say the word or sound it out. Must. Say the word or sound it out. Away. Say the word or sound it out. School. Say the word or sound it out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.